Kamusta Ayala Mania, Ayala fans? Did you know that Alex Ayala will receive a first round bye in Cincinnati Open? What it does mean? Being seeded means a player is given a designated rank in a tournament draw based on her official world ranking. Typically, the top 25% of players in a tournament field are seeded. For example, Grand Slam like Wimbledon or the US Open feature 32 seeds, while WTA 1000 events usually feature 16 or 32 seeds. The term comes from tennis, where tournament directors used to plant the best players' names across the bracket like seed in the garden, so they wouldn't eliminate each other right away. Ibig sabihin, para silang buto ng halaman na itinatanim, pinuposisyon because of protection early on. It prevents the best competitors from playing against each other in the early rounds. For example, the top 4 in the world, Sabalenka number 1 and Rybakina number 2, pinaghihiwalay sila sa magkabilang bracket, and Pegula number 3 and Gauff number 4, paghihiwalayin din sila sa magkabilang bracket para hindi sila magsagupa agad sa mga unang round. Kaya tinawag silang seeds or buto na parang itinatanim or pinuposisyon. So the number 1 seed play against the lower rank competitors or qualifiers in the opening rounds. To set up big finals, the bracket is structured so that everything goes according to the rank. The top 2 seeds won't meet until the final match. Therefore, in early rounds, seeded players are matched against unseeded players. Now let's go to the tournament first round bye. Alex Ayala is expected to receive a first round bye at the 2026 Cincinnati Open in Ohio, USA. Following her breakthrough title at the Mubadala DC Open and a round of 16 run at the Canadian Open, Ayala reached a career high ranking inside the WTA top 20. As a WTA 1000 event, top-seeded players in the draw receive a first-round bye into the second round. Following her Toronto exit on August 10, Ayala noted, taking a brief 2-day rest before traveling to Cincinnati for the main tournament running from August 13 to 23. Take note, pero pagdating na sa Grand Slam event like Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon, and the US Open, they do not have first round byes. Every single player in a Grand Slam main draw must play in the first round. Even the number 1 seed in the world has to win 7 consecutive matches to take home a Grand Slam title. Grand Slam main draws are designed for a mathematically clean 128 player bracket. 2 to the 7th equals 128 because the total number of players fits into a power of 2. There are no extra spots that requires byes. Regular tour events often have awkward draws sizes like 56 or 96 players, which makes byes necessary for the top seeds. Kaya hindi madali makasungkit ng Grand Slam title. Talagang paghihirapan ito ni Miss Alex Ayala. Kaya patuloy lang po tayong sumuporta kay Alex dahil hindi lang siya lumalaban para sa pangarap niya, lumalaban din siya para sa watawat ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Kaya let's go Alex, let's go! Fight, fight, fight! See you next time.